All right, I'm here with Toli. Is that how you say your name?
Yeah.
AK Gutters. I guess it stands for Alaska. AK?
And Anatoly Kosman.
Oh, Anatoly Kosman. You don't mind being on YouTube, right?
Of course not.
All right. Is it okay to know where you're located?
Yeah, Delta Junction, Alaska.
So
And also Fairbanks, Alaska.
you do gutters in Fairbanks and Delta. So how far would you drive to do gutters? Like 2 hours, 3 hours?
Yeah, Fairbanks is 100 miles away. About hour and a half to 2 hour drive.
All right. And what gutter do you offer? Like the 5 inches.
K style. Yeah.
Awesome. Can you bring me that sample? We'll show the customers. That way, if they're looking at this video and you need gutters, this is the gutter that he does. And you do them in aluminum or steel?
Both, but mostly steel.
Why do you do steel? For the durability?
Yeah.
Stronger?
Stronger.
Because of the inclement weather. So maybe 8K gutters, and then the last frontier. We'll add that line in there now. Cool, cool. So you've been doing gutters for a while. Your machine right here is set up for the 5-inch. We were just kind of looking at the machine. Super high quality machine right there by Gutter Maker. I don't know if they exist anymore. Downspouts. What do you do for downspouts? Just the standard?
I just buy 10-foot sticks.
So you do 2x3? Yeah. Oh wow, you do steel downspouts as well?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, so you're really high quality. Wow, because I'm from Oregon, from Portland, right here on my hat. So yeah, we do aluminum downspouts over there, but because of the weather here, do you do 3x4 downspouts or just the 2x3?
Just these, always these.
Oh, nice.
And then I get elbows.
Pre-made elbows.
These.
All right. So you got the elbows, and I see you use the Raytech hang fast brackets.
Yeah.
How do you like the brackets?
They're nice. Sometimes they bend out with a snow load.
With the snow?
Yeah.
Okay. Is that on metal roofs or?
Yeah, metal.
Okay.
Snow stops, so I gotta install.
So you gotta install snow stops. So that's for sure. I was in town at the famous hamburger place, and they had Premier gutter guards. Do you do gutter guards or?
No.
Not
Customers
yet.
never want them.
Oh, really? So maybe Premier gutter guards in the future, if the customer does want them.
Yeah.
Right, you can do Premier. You know, Premier gutter guards are made in my city, in Oregon, in Damascus. Mm-hmm. David is his name. Mm-hmm. So he said he sold almost 1 million feet of gutter screens to Alaska. So
nice.
If you guys need gutter screens, definitely Toli can get that for you. Even though he says he doesn't do them, but he can if you want.
I can do them.
Yeah.
People, it's too expensive for them.
Too expensive? Okay, well, maybe we can work on getting the price figured out, make it cheaper. Cool, so yeah, I like your setup. You got like a trailer, you just hook it up and you can go a couple hour drive. So, cool. AK Gutters, if you want to give them your number, they can call you if you're in Alaska, Delta Junction, or Fairbanks.
Yeah, it's 907-388-0731.
All right, thank you, sir. And we'll see you guys next time. God bless.